Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Windows 11 in 2023. And to do this, follow my steps. Go to your browser. In search bar type Windows 11.
Click the first, that is a link from Microsoft.
Select Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Click Download. Select the product language. Click 64-bit download. Click Download now. Wait till the download is completed. After the download is completed, you will have Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, comment me in the comment section.